I'm going to be showing you how to build Clara in Honkai Star Rail. So here's a complete build guide for Clara in Honkai Star Rail. So Clara is a physical DPS and a bruiser whose damage mostly comes from counters performed by her mech Warrogue whenever she or allies are hit. So her kit works best when enemies target her often and when she's built to hit hard. So the best light cone for her is something irreplaceable, which is a 5-star light cone. It increases Clara's attack and heals her when hit or when she defeats an enemy. It boosts her damage until end of turn after triggering healing. So this is Clara's signature light cone and the best choice since it synergizes with her counter-heavy playstyle. So the best lyrics for her is champion a streetwise boxing, which is a 4-piece. This will help you deal physical damage in the best way. If you don't have that, then you can go for Space Sealing Station and Musketeer of Wild Wheat. Just focus on her crit rate, crit damage, attack percentage, then focus on effect resistance. Clara doesn't need lots of speed. Her damage comes from enemy turns triggering counters, so she actually benefits from her low SPD. So there you go, that's how you build Clara in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.